We spend cash for entertainment.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn. In today's video, we are going to be trying trendy fashion TikTok hacks. I found a few on TikTok that I think actually are useful and aren't a waste of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out. I will link the TikTok videos in the description, or I'll put it on the screen. So let's get into this video. Okay, so the first hack that we have is the crop t-shirt hack. So I got me like a regular shirt or tank top, and I got me this bra. The video, she had straps on, but I don't really wear bras like that, so this is what I got. We're gonna follow along. Okay, so I got the video playing over here, so that's what I'm looking over there. So she takes her shirt, it's kind of like this shirt that I got here. She flips it upside down and also inside out. Let me see. Bitch, stop moving so damn fast. Let's do it. So I got it inside out and upside down. We're just pulling up the ends through the bra. Okay, so this is what I got, okay? I know you guys can't see, so let me move back. This is what I got. Now I'm gonna pull it up over. Okay, so it works, but like it depends on the type of shirt that you use, type of tank top. Cause this one I don't feel like it's working with me, and also I don't have a strap bra. I have a strapless bra, so maybe that's why. But I don't like it. It's just not it. But we're gonna try this on other type of shirts also. Okay, so I just want to show you guys if it would work on a different type of shirt other than like a tank top. So I'm gonna put on this regular shirt. Okay, so I got this regular shirt on and it does work. I still like the way that I do it, which is the regular tuck under your bra. I like this way for more secure, but like, I don't know, it's a lot of work. But if you're in an emergency, you really need a crop top. Most of my shirts are cropped, so I wouldn't really need to do this. But if you like a shirt but you want it cropped, I think you should do this. Just make sure you're getting out the kinks and like make sure it's not all bulky anywhere on the sides. But I mean, it works. Okay, so the next hack that I have is the bodysuit hack. And in this one, it's just, I guess, showing you different ways that you can style a bodysuit in a cropped way or just like a different style. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is normally how the bodysuit fits. You know, this is usually how it is. So I'm gonna show you it upside down, I believe. And then I'm gonna show you it almost like a crop top. So normally I wouldn't wear a bra with a bodysuit like this one or in general. But for this video, we are going to wear a bra. So I'm gonna flip it upside down. I unbuckled it. I'm gonna put it through my legs. I'm gonna put the strings, the sleeves through my legs as if they were pants. Okay, so far this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put my shorts over this so it don't look crazy, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is the first hack that they have on the video. Just be wary of what bodysuit you use. So she's using like a regular cotton one. That's one I say use, not with all this like extra design and stuff, because it will look bulky and feel uncomfortable. But it works. You know, it looked a little crazy when I pulled it down. Okay, got my fucking bra part hanging out, but that's okay. It's still cute if it was the right bodysuit. Now I'm gonna go on to the next step, which is making it look like a crop top. Okay, so the next one, I'm gonna pull my bodysuit on like normal. I'm not gonna buckle it because we're gonna tuck the back in, it looks like. Tuck that in. And then we're gonna take the front and we're going to roll it under. And roll it under and make this like little, what is this called? Like a little bow in the front. I'm like crazy, but y'all get the fucking idea. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just imagine it as a regular cotton bodysuit, because this is the only one I have on here right now. It would be cute if because these are kind of thick. She like made it look really cute, so I would say a regular one, this would work. So all of that is approved so far. Now the next one we have is the dress hack, and I feel like you guys know what it is, so let's go and put it on. I have 2 dresses to try on to show you guys and see if it works on both. Okay, so this hack is, I have 2 dresses, but this hack, you use a round earring or a bracelet, something round, so you can put inside your dress to make this cute like design in the back. I don't have round, so we're gonna try it with this, okay? We're gonna see if it works with anything. We already know it works with the circle. We've seen so many videos. So let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna turn this dress inside out and backwards. Let's do it. Inside out, backwards. I'm gonna put it on. She puts her hoop ring inside. She puts it inside and ties a like, use a rubber band or anything and tie around it. So I'm gonna like do it like this. Hold on, let me go get a rubber band. I got it right here. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna tie it. Hope you guys can see. I'm gonna tie it around it. Boom. Oh, please don't rip my dress. And what does she do after? And she says, flip it around, like, you know, take it off and put it on the right way. So let's do that. Okay, so it worked. Let me show you guys. Okay. Look. Y'all see that? Only thing I realized, if I didn't push the rubber band in more, it would like show the earring. So that's the only thing, but it works. I hope you guys seen that and I didn't just do all that for no reason. Let me make sure. Y'all see that? Go on. It's like a cute little design. This one's called the fitted dress hack. And the other ones I see are like the loose dress ones. That would be really cute. I also have this black one, but I don't feel like doing all that again. So y'all get the idea. All of these work and they're all useful, I feel like. So if you enjoy videos like this, let me know, because there's so many hacks on TikTok and I can test them out for you, so you don't gotta test them out. I'll test them out, tell you guys if it's good. You tell me if it's good and I'm not just being crazy. But so far, so good, right? This is gonna be part 1. Like, say not. Well, I think that's all the hacks for today. I gave you guys 3 hacks. And be tuned for my next videos. Let me close this video out. Hold on. Let me get on dress. I'm gonna come talk to you. Hold on. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below and let me know, because I love doing TikTok hacks, especially for fashion. And you know, this is a fashion, beauty, lifestyle page. So let me know. Please subscribe. Please comment down below. And please leave a like. Okay? Don't be stingy. The fuck? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.